I'm just glad it's not dark. If it's darkness, I get scared. Oh, for fuck's sake! You're gonna come alive, aren't you? Whoever did that, you're a fucking bitch. Wait, so can I not walk in here? Wait, but what if I run? Dude! Dude. You're making me shiver me timbers. Can you stop? I really do not miss those times. I accidentally flipped my mouse. That was weird. The fuck? What was that? You stop that right now. Guys! Guys! Guys. Guys. Okay, you know what? It's fine. You guys made me realize that my phone is not charging, okay? Oh my fucking god. You guys made me realize my phone was not charging, so let me just quickly charge it. Nice! Wait, that does not look...
So it goes underground. That's it. That's our way out.
It's too late.
Marvin!
Tried, Leon.
No.
But I couldn't stop it.
What?
We can't let this thing spread.
Dude.
It's on you now. Just go.